Can you solve this maths Olympic question on the board? Now look at what we are given. Y to the power of 2y is equals to 6. And we are expected to find the value of y. What are we going to do? Our first step, what we're going to do is to remove this 2 from here. Let's remove this 2. So for us to remove this 2 from here, we have to multiply both powers by 1 over what 2. So that this is into y to the power of 2y, okay, multiplied by 1 over 2 is equals to 6 to the power of what? 1 over what? 1 over 2, because we are multiplying both powers by 1 over 2. So that this will cancel out this. We see that y to the power of y is equals to what? 6 to the power of what? 1 over what? 2. That's our first step. Our second step, what you're going to do is to take the natural logarithm of both sides. That's our second step. So that means laying y to the power of y is equals to laying 6 to the power of 1 over what? 2. And by the properties of logarithm, that the exponent here can go back to multiply the link. That is one of the properties of what? Logarithm. That log m to the power of p base a is equals to p multiplied by log m base what? Base a. So that means here become what? Y multiplied by ln y is equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by ln 6. Okay. Now, there's one of the properties of what? Logarithm that said that e raised to the power of ln a is equals to what? A. This is one of the properties of logarithm. So this is 100% true. So we are not wrong if we decide to write this y as e raised to the power of ln y to represent y multiplied by ln what? Ln y is equals to 1 divided by 2 ln what? Ln 6. Wow, this is Proceduronius, right? Now, from the definition of Lambert-W function, now the Lambert-W function, or let me not use that. Okay, it's okay. The Lambert-W function of e to a multiplied by e to a is equals to what? A. This is the definition of Lambert-W function, right? It means that this, if ln y is equals to what? P. Okay, it means that e raised to the power of p multiplied by p is equals to 1 over 2 ln what? Ln 6. So taking the Lambert-W function on both sides, that means Lambert of what? Into e raised to the power of p multiplied by p is equals to 1, taking Lambert-W function on both sides, right? 1 over 2 ln what? Ln 6. Because we are taking the Lambert-W function on both sides. So the outcome here will just be p by definition of this. So it just be what? P is equals to the Lambert-W function of into 1 over 2 ln what? Ln 6. Wow, this is amazing, right? So let me remove this from here quickly. But remember that our p, look at p. So what in p? So that means ln y is equals to p, which is this. The W function of into 1 over 2 ln what? Ln 6, right? Wow, this is amazing. So what are we going to do here? Because our target is to determine the value of y. Now, if you let me say from here, taking, do you know that nothing wrong by doing e raised to the power of ln y, okay, equals to e raised to the power of the real function of into 1 over 2 ln 6. There's nothing wrong because the bases are the same. Since the bases are the same, this is equals to this because I can equate the powers. I can do without the base and equate the powers, right? Because E is here, so they are the same. I can do without them and equate the powers, so there's nothing wrong. But at this point that we're having e raised to the power of ln y, by definition of logarithm, we know that e raised to the power of ln y will just give us y. So the outcome of this is just y. So we have that y is equals to e raised to the power of the real function of into 1 over 2 ln what? Ln 6. And this is the value of y. Remember that it's not all calculators that have this operation. Okay? There's the most especially the sites we always use to break this down. And take note that the Lambert-W function you are hearing about is the product of what? Logarithm. Okay? But let me see what I can do here to break this down so that everybody will understand what is going on. I Um, so if I say this is e raised to the power of length 1 over 2 multiplied by length 6, okay? I'm trying to simplify this, okay? All right, because the Lambda function of this must have a value, then e to the power of those value will give us the value of y, okay? But this is the solution to this question. This is the solution, beautiful solution, because y must be equal to e raised to the power of the derivative function of 1 over 2 ln what? Length 6 is also the same as y is equals to e raised to the power of the derivative function of into ln what? Ln 6 divided by what? 2, okay? It's also the same. So they are the same answer. So these are the solutions. Not this is the solution because you just see one answer. So this is the solution to this question. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, or let me give you an assignment to try. Also, do your working and drop in the comment section if you really understood what you have done here. That if I have something that x to the power of what 3x is equals to what 81, do this and make sure you drop in the comment section from what you have done here. So by doing this shows you already understood what you are doing here. But don't worry, by using this, I'm going to show you the calculators most of us always use as teachers. Because I've said earlier, there's no all calculators that have this operation, okay? Lambda is the product of logarithm, okay? So do this and make sure you're doing a sheet of paper and drop in the comment section. Let me check your work. Let me see whether you're following what you are doing here. This is Maths Olympic, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're interested, don't hesitate. You have to like, comment, and share to loved ones or others who learn from it. And don't forget, if today is your first time viewing this video, don't hesitate, okay? Do it to follow us so that any of the exciting videos you will notify. So thank you.